For scientific notation, it enables us to convert really large numbers into more manageable numbers that won't take up an entire page. In order to write these kind of numbers, we need to put these numbers in powers of 10. The best way to understand how to apply scientific notation is to go through a few examples. Let's look at number 1, 0.1. That is actually 1 times 10 to the negative 1, because you're moving to the right. Anytime you move to the right, your power is going to be a negative number. We want, ultimately, one number to the left of our decimal, so this is 1.0, for example. This is one number to the left of our decimal, and we multiply that number by 10, and the amount that we actually move. If you're moving to the right, then it's a negative number to the top. Let's try number 2, get a better understanding here. 0.0001, that's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1 times 10 to the negative 4. Because we're moving to the right, it's going to be a negative number, and we move 4 places to the right. Number 3. If we have 0.000082, that number is actually smaller than the rest of the numbers that we saw before. We're going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, in essence, it's 8.2 times 10 to the negative 6. Let's try number 4. We have 1. That's equal to 1 times 10 to the 0. 10 to the 0 is 1, so it's 1 times 1. That's equivalent to 1. Number 5. If we have 1,000, and we want to write that in scientific notation, our decimal is here, so it's 1, 2, 3. So we're moving to the left in this instance here, so it's 1 times 10 to the 3. Number 6. If we have 10090, in scientific notation, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 1 times 10 to the 4. What about 7? If we have 1,123,455,859,595, this number is pretty big, and as the numbers get bigger, it's even more interesting when we do scientific notation. So, in essence, this number is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 1.1234558599595 times 10 to the 12. Or we could just write it as 1.12, for example, times 10 to the 12. This is short, leaving the rest of the numbers out, and we rounded this off to 1, 2, 3 significant figures. So this would be our answer. So, in all of this, remember to practice and grow.